Rise. Judge Vanderby, court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Proctors.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Ms. Proctor, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
My husband is extremely supportive of the children and me, and
Your husband? Are you guys
my
currently
my ex-husband.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I would like to reduce the amount that he has to pay because he's paying more than he should. He takes care of the children's everything we need. He provides very well for us, and I have my own job, and so it would really make me happy, Your Honor, if you could reduce the agreement that we have from $1,426.56 a month to $415 a month, please.
Is that what you all agreed to? The $415?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. And what else does Dad pay for?
He covers any extracurricular activities that the children would like to do. Anything that they want, they get.
Okay.
And he covers their health insurance. He's an excellent father.
Okay. So you say he covers extracurricular activities,
Yes, ma'am.
health insurance. How much is health insurance?
Buckle up because this case is about to take a wild turn. We've got a mother asking the court to reduce child support, even though her ex-husband is already covering everything. And I mean everything. But just when you think this is a rare amicable split, boom. She drops a bombshell that could shake the entire courtroom. Stay with me, because this one's got financial twists, shocking allegations, and a last-minute plea that'll leave you speechless. Let's break it down. Interview. Okay, let's pause for a second. This woman just admitted she doesn't even know how much the father is paying for health insurance, yet she's fully agreeing with whatever he says. That alone raises a few red flags. And let's not forget, he's also covering all extracurricular activities for the kids. That's a huge financial load, especially with 4 children. So, is this really a fair request from her side, or is there more to the story? Let me know what you think in the comments.
I don't know. He would have all of the numbers for whatever he says. I will agree with.
Okay, that is pretty generous to be covering the extracurricular activities. Is there anything else that he pays for?
Anything that they need, he takes care of.
Okay, okay. And what are the ages of the children?
1.5. I was pregnant when we got divorced. We have a 4-year-old, a 6-year-old, and a 10-year-old.
Okay. All right, that's a nice little spread you all have there. It sounds like the Brady Bunch. Okay, so is there anything else you need me to know before I move over to him?
No, ma'am.
Okay, and sir, will you agree to everything that she's been saying, that that's you all's agreement?
It is. We didn't have a court-ordered thing. It was just something that we came up with.
Okay, so
that we're
you're
doing.
paying right now, you're giving her $415 a month for the children.
Correct.
All right, and you're covering all extracurricular activities for each of them.
That's correct. That includes summer camp and baseball and everything. Yes.
Okay, so they go to summer camp every year for the whole summer?
Correct.
And how much is that?
It's about $200 per kid.
Per kid, okay. Yeah, that definitely, it's good that you all can come to that sort of an agreement and do that, because that's not something that happens all the time in this courtroom.
So this couple actually came to an agreement without a court order? If you've ever watched a child support case before, you know that never happens. Usually it's a battle over every single penny. But here's the kicker. This is the first time this arrangement is being made official. So the question is she really just being considerate? Or could she be setting something up? Keep watching, because this situation is heating up fast.
And I'm pretty sure in a lot of child support courtrooms around Texas, okay? So that is good you all came to that. How much is health insurance?
It's $289 a month.
$289 a month. Okay, so you said you all did, this is not a court order, so this is the first time that there will be an order in place.
Correct.
So just so the court understands, make sure that you understand your child support in terms of what you were paying. I believe you said the number was $1,426.56, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Based on that, your gross would have been, it is, based on the documents that you presented, your gross is about $5,000 a month. Your net is about $4,075.88. So what I will do is go ahead and adopt
Your
the
Honor,
agreement. Yes.
I'm sorry, can I interrupt you for a moment?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm really not comfortable with this agreement, but he's really mean. And if I don't agree to it,
Hold up. Did she really just say he makes $4.7 million and launders money? And that she's got proof from his bookkeepers? And now, out of nowhere, she's saying she doesn't feel safe? This is a complete 180. Just moments ago, she was happily agreeing to reduce payments. And now she's practically begging the judge for protection. If this is true, we are talking about major legal trouble. But if it's false, that's one of the most serious accusations you can throw around. She even goes so far as to say she wants life insurance for the kids, so that when he kills me, they'll be taken care of. The judge is stunned, reminding her this isn't the right courtroom for protective orders. And if she's genuinely in danger, her first step is to call 911. But let's be real, whether this is the truth or just a desperate tactic, throwing out allegations of a multimillion-dollar crime ring in the middle of a child support hearing? That's wild. This case just went from family law to full-blown crime drama.
I object, Your Honor. I'm not doing
What's your
anything.
legal objection?
I'm on the grounds that it may incriminate me.
Okay.
he has, I can prove that he makes at least $4.7 million a year. I have all the account information here provided to me by his bookie. He laundries money, and I would just like to take whatever money you want to give us that's going to make him happy and give us a protective order. The children have already gone to a safe place, and I'm going to leave as soon as I get here so he can't hurt us anymore, please.
Okay.
She's crazy, Your Honor. She's crazy.
I'm crazy. Yeah. That's okay. I'm crazy. I'll just agree
So
to
you're
this.
agreeing that you're crazy?
Absolutely. Whatever he says, I'll agree to.
Okay, so what I'll do, because you all have been doing this, is go ahead and adopt the agreement between the two of you based on the documentation
Can you maybe
I have.
make sure it's for the children so that when he kills me that they'll be taken care
Oh
of?
my gosh. Not to sound insensitive, but in terms of protective orders, this is not the court that you would want to be in. You would definitely need to be in another court. But if you're thinking in terms of safety, I think your first step is to call 911 and maybe speak to some police officers or whatnot. Sir, I don't know what you're doing to this woman. However,
I'm not doing
unfortunately, I'm not saying that you are, but based on what she said.
He
As
has,
far as my
he has
job
everybody
goes.
on the books. I have the proof. I can give it to you.
No, ma'am.
There's
You know what?
receipts.
I don't
I
even
have
wanna be
access to
incriminated
all
in
of
that.
his accounts.
No, thanks. So what I'm going to do is adopt the agreement.
And just like that, the judge finalizes the agreement. $415 a month plus, health insurance and extracurriculars. But let's be honest, the real headline here isn't the money. It's the chaos that unfolded in that courtroom.
Crime drama.
Between you all, based on what you've been doing, the $415 a month, you will continue to pay that. You will continue to pay the $289 in health insurance. You will continue to cover extracurricular activities for each of the children, including summer camp. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. And I think I need to go have a drink because you
Thank you, Your Honor.
guys have really, I'm nervous.
Did she just expose a multi-million-dollar scheme? Or was this a last-ditch effort to change the outcome? Either way, this one was for the books. If you thought this case was as crazy as we did, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.